Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. I am back today with a special recipe that is a stuffed eggplant dish, which is traditionally Turkish, which is one of my favorite cuisines. So if you'd like to learn how to make it, please keep on watching. Let's get started. Okay, so first you want to start by peeling your eggplant. You can semi-peel, so you get kind of a stripe effect like this. And then you want to sprinkle on some salt and pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Then chop your onion and your bell peppers. I like to use both green and red to give it some color. And then we go ahead and fry or saute the onions. I also added some garlic onto there, and once they've all melted, I add the red peppers, or the bell peppers rather. And I just let it sit on a low fire for a couple minutes, and then we add our ground meat, our seasoning, which is salt and pepper. You can add whatever seasoning you want. And we cover it and let it simmer for a couple more minutes. In the meantime, I will chop up my tomato and add it onto the pan. I will also add a teaspoon of tomato paste and the red pepper flakes. Mix it up and make sure that the meat is completely cooked. Then I'm going to go in with my cilantro and mix those up. By this time, the eggplant should be done. It's not completely cooked, but that's the way that we want it. We want to slice it down the middle and open it up a little bit so there's room for you to stuff it. Sprinkle on some salt and black pepper and put some butter in for flavor. Then put your stuffing in. Like so. And then I take some tomato paste and mix it up with some warm water to create kind of a sauce, just to put under those eggplants. When you pop it back in the oven, it doesn't stick to your dish. And again, back into the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes at 400 degrees, just until your eggplant is completely cooked. And this is the final result. I added some of that sauce back on top, sprinkled a little bit of cilantro for garnish, and also made some rice for the side. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Thank you for watching.